Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna take a look at FANBASIS and WHOP to see which one is better. So on these two platforms you can create communities, you can create digital products and you can sell them. Now in my opinion, based on the users and the interface and everything, WHOP is better because they offer the option to add your community, your product to the discover page where people from the platform can view and join, and you can make money out of this, and it's completely free. And you could use FANBASIS, but it's less popular, and it matters when you start selling something, because if you use a platform that no one knows, maybe they don't want to use their credit card there. But on WHOP it became very popular, so I suggest you to go with WHOP instead of FANBASIS. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.